So you want to know how to animate objects in Davinci Resolve? Yeah, I want to animate my truck from going left to right, then stop, and then left to right in Davinci Resolve. Okay. Welcome back to the EP Edits channel. Today I'm going to show you how to animate in Davinci Resolve. So let's go. So, I have two objects on my timeline. I have this truck and also this background right here. So what I want to do is I want this truck to go from left to right, okay, to the whole other side. But first I need to resize this. So how do you do this? So you can either come over to the right side over here, make sure video is selected and go to transform and bring the zoom size down. Make sure this thing is selected though, or else it'll do like that. So I probably want it about this size, right? Okay, and then to move it like this way, you use the X and Y position. Or you could just do this over here, but make sure transform is selected and you can just move it like this, like what I was doing. Now I want to change my anchor point. This is my anchor point way over here, and I want it right in the middle of the truck. Oops. Alright, there we go. So now my anchor point looks good. Now we have to animate it, going from left to right. Okay. So first I'm gonna bring the truck out of frame, and then you press the diamond for what you're animating. So I'm animating the X position and maybe the Y position a little bit. So I'm gonna press the keyframe for this one, and then I'm gonna scroll through a little bit, and I want it to be across the road by then. So let's see how that looks. That looks alright. You can also animate other keyframes, like the rotation, for example. So we press this keyframe, and at the end, when the car is on the other side, let's say we want it to have done a 360. Now let's watch that. Okay. Yeah. Or you could do that with size. So let's go to the beginning, press the size one. You want it really small at the beginning, and at the end we want it massive. Okay. So let's watch that back. So I'm making this very chaotic. So we're making this very chaotic, but I mean, you could get really creative with this. As you can see, there's also keyframes for other things like cropping, stuff like that, but that's basically the gist of it. So that's basically it. Also, check out my other channel where I make short films and skits, and thank you so much for watching. See ya.